Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss your problem solving exercise 7.4. This is the second part of exercise 7.4. Today I am taking question number 7. Question number 1 to 6 solving the part first, and today I am taking question number 7. Question number 7 here, integrate the function. Function here given x minus 1 upon root x square minus 1 square. So how to solve? You have no any identity here to those in this form. First you will be separate these questions, separate two functions here, then you will be solve here. Yes, now start the solution here. Let integral here x minus 1 upon root x square minus 1. So then you can write here integration of this. Then you can write here x upon x square minus upon dx. This is the root square root symbol, minus and dx upon root x square minus 1. This is the true form. This is the different form and this is the different form. Here using the identity, different identity, here is different identity. Yes, using the substitution, here direct identity. So now you can write here, this is the function identity I equal, this is you can write I1 minus I2. This function I am writing here integration I1, I means integration, and this is the integration of I2. So now first I am taking here I1 x upon x square minus 1 dx. Always remember that suppose your function is using the different identity, then you will solve the different part. This is the first part, you will select I1, second part you select I2, suppose third part then I3, fourth part is the I4. But having the different identity, then you will solve the different part. First part here I am using I1 means integration first here this function, only this I am using only this function. I will solve this part. After that you will solve this part, then using the putting the value here, this you will write here equation first, and then you are putting the both the value here, then you will get the final answer. Yes, now look here, suppose you are putting this value x square minus 1, you are putting, then using here substitution method, then this numerator here come here. So now put x square minus 1 equal to t. Don't use a square root sign, only inside of the x square minus 1. Now differentiate here 2x dx equal to dt. The dx equal to dt over 2x. Putting the value dx over dt over dx here, then what result come here? I1 equal x upon root x square minus 1 integration of dx. Then you can use here x upon, then you are using square root 2. And what value of the dx? dt over 2x. This x will be cancelled here. What is left here? 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2, you can write here minus 1 by 2 dt. Minus 1 by 2. Because here power is negative, positive power 1 by 2. When you write the reciprocal of this, the minus 1 by 2 dt. And then you integrate here. What result come here? 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c1. Because here this is the value of the integration first. The constant will be c1. Here constant c1, here constant c2. Then both constant operating, then c. What result come here? 1 by 2. What result come? 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c1. So 1 by 2 into 2 upon 1. And here write 1 by 2 plus c1. To cancel here, only left here root t plus c1. And what value of the t? Integration of form. This is I1 What value of the t here? T value are x square minus 1. X square minus 1 plus c1. This is your equation second. Putting the value of I1, we have equation second, don't write your equation, value of the I1. This is the value of the I1 square root x square minus 1 plus c1. After that we will solve the value of the I2 here from here. Then both the values substitute in equation first. Yes, note down it. Then we will solve this second part. Yes, student. Then second part here I2. Now I am taking here I2 part here. Integration of dx upon root x square minus 1 square. This is the form a square x square minus a square. This is the form in square root form. So what value of this? This is the value of the log x plus root x square minus 1 square and mod plus c2. Because here integration of I2, then we are constant here c2. This is using direct identity x square minus a square here, the log x plus x square minus 1 square. Means this is the value of log x plus square root x square minus 1 plus c2. This is the value of it. I2. Both the values are putting I1, I2 here. I1 and I2 putting here, then you will get the result here. And now from equation first, both the value putting here equation first, then what result come here? I equal to what value of the I1? Value of the I1 here square root x square minus 1 plus c1 minus log x plus square root x square minus 1 plus c2. So what value come here? c1, c2 here. c1 minus c2, what result come here? X square minus 1 minus log x plus root x square minus 1 and plus c1 minus c2. This result will come x square minus 1 log x plus root x square minus 1 plus c. This is the value of the integration of the value. It means c1 minus c2 means c. When you operating both the constant, the result come here c, or their result is same that way. Yes, in this way we will solve the question. Any question write in the form to first you observe question in which form the question given. First you separating or otherwise direct answer. The direct suppose having direct identity, then you put the, otherwise not having direct identity, then you will be separating here. After separating, then you write here I1, I2 having the separate identity, then you solve the separate way, then you putting the value of the in questions, and then you get the answer. Yes, note down, this is your final answer. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number 10. Integral of the function. This is a special type question here. 1 upon this is the quadratic equations here. You have no any identity here. Directly you have solved these questions. First of all, you will break down this in the perfect square form. Then making the then you using the identity of the special type functions. Yes. Now I start the question here first. X square plus 2x plus 2. How to make the perfect square? First you check every time any coefficient of the x square or not. Here no any coefficient of the x square. First step is completed. Means common, we will not take any number here common. Second thing, you check what is the coefficient of the x? The coefficient of the x here 2. Coefficient of the x here 2, then divide by 2, then square this. So what will be of 1? Square of 1 is equal to 1. Means you will be add and subtract of the 1. Mean how to make it? X square plus 2x plus 2 plus 1 and minus 1. You will solve in this way. First x square plus 2x and plus 1. This and plus 2 minus 1. This is here come x plus 1 is whole square and plus 1. The value of this perfect square, x square plus 2x plus 2, this is the perfect square form. So you will write that this is the perfect square form. After that, you will write the integration form here now. Integration of 1 upon root x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. This dx equal upon square root x plus 1 is whole square plus 1 square. This is converted in this form here. This is already converted d integration d over dx x square plus a square. What value of this? This is square root form. Then you can write here log x plus root x square plus a square plus 3. Means you will substitute of this value. Now put x plus 1 equal to t, means dx equal to dt. You substitute the x plus 1 here t, to differentiate of this, the dx, differentiate of this dx over dt, then dx equal to dt, means you are changing here now integration of d 1 upon square root, this is the t square plus 1 square, and what value of the dx? Only dt. So now integration of, this is the identity here. Now integration of this, what integration here? The result here come log t plus root t square plus 1 plus c. Change the value, what value of the t here? This is the x square plus 1. X plus 1. X plus 1 is square plus 1 mod plus c. So log x plus 1 plus, suppose you are changing this, then open x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus c. You can write here x plus 1 plus root x square 1 plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus c in this form. This is the original form. You can write answer in this form, otherwise you can write answer in this form. This is not matter. Both your correct answer. Suppose you are living in this step, answer is correct. Suppose you are living this step, answer is correct. No problem here. First of all, how to solve this question? This is the quadratic form of the equations. First of all, you make it in this question always be converted in the perfect square form. First of all, check the quadratic question, any coefficient having the square or not. In this question, not having the square having not coefficient here, means then you will not take any common here. After that, you will check the x. What is the coefficient of the x here? 2. So always when you make the perfect square, the half of the coefficient of half of the square of the coefficient x, half of the square of the coefficient x. Then this is the 2, or half of the x 2 is 1, and square of the 1 is 1. So then add and subtract this form. Then you make this, and then this portion you will substitute in this form. Here this is already converted in the according to this identity, this particular function form. So integration of this particular function, this, then you write this integration of this way, and then again you substitute x plus 1 form, then you write the answer. Just note down. Yes, student. Next question, I am taking the different type question here. Question number 18. This question having 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Suppose directly you substitute this denominator here, but here result will become 6x plus 2, but here 5x plus 2. It means you will directly not substitute this value. You will means some different property will be using here. When you are putting that direct substitute, then result will be not come the numerator. It means you will using the special types of functions here. Now solution here, 5x minus 2 here, a d over dx 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and plus b. This is a special type function property. Property number 8, 5x minus 2 here. What value of this you will solve it according this way. A differentiate of this 2 plus 6x plus b. Here 5x minus 2. After that you will be equating both sides, coefficient of the x and constant term, equating both sides. Coefficient of x and constant term. First, I am using here coefficient of the x 5. Here coefficient of the x here 5, or here coefficient of the x when you multiply here 6a. What result come here? A equal 5 by 6. What result of a? 5 by 6. Again, of constant term. What is the constant term here? Minus 2. And here constant term 6a plus b. What value of the a? 2a, not 6, 2a. This is 2a, constant term 2a plus b. The 2a plus b means 2 into a. What value of the a here? A here already find you 5 by 6 plus b. And this is the minus 2. 2 3 is 6. So minus 2 minus 5 by 3 equal to b. What value of the b here? Minus 2 here same. And this 5 by 3 transposing the left side, so minus 5 by 3. Taking LCM here, 3 to the 6, 5 11. So minus 11 by 3. This value here. So a and b value you are putting here, then you will get the value of the 5x. So now, what value of 5x minus 2a? 2 plus 6x plus b. And what value of the a here? 5 by 6. 2 plus 6x and minus 11 upon 3. Value, coefficient value minus 11 by 3. It means value of the 5x minus 2. Value of the 5x minus 2 here, this. When you integrate of this portion, in this place, numerator place 5x minus 2 place, you will write the 5 by 6 in this number. So now, 5x minus 2 upon integration of 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Means integration of 5 upon 6, 2 plus 6x minus 11 upon 3, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Means value of this portion is this. This 5 upon 5x minus 2 is converted in this form. Denominator is the same, but numerator here change. It means we have two functions. Here the 5 by 6, 2 plus 6x and minus 11 by 2. You do separating both the function here. What result come here? 5 by 6, 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus 11 by 3 integration of dx upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Means these two functions write in a separate way. Or suppose this is the your I means 5 by 6. This is the I1 minus 11 upon 3. This is the I2. What value of the I1? This function is called the I1. 11 upon 3 same here. Or this function is called the I2. Or this is the equation first. So it means you will be solve I1 separate, I2 separate, then putting the value here, and then you calculate and then find the value of the integration of this portion I. And I am putting this portion. What value of this I? Yes, note down you. Then you separate integration to let I1 equal 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Suppose now you will substitute this value any t, then this value will easily come here. 1 plus 2x plus 3x, so I are substituting t, put 1 plus 2x plus 3x square equal to t. What will you come here? X plus, so 2 plus 6x dx equal to dt. Means this number is come same. Means value of the dx here, you can write here value of the dx here dt over 2 plus 6x. The value of the dx here dt over 2 plus 6x, means this will be easily cancelled here. Yes, you note down here, then further we will solve. Yes, student, the value of the I1 is there, you will write here now 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus integration of this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. And then you will write here 2 plus integration 2 plus 6x upon this is you are putting t, and what value of the dx? The dt over 2 plus 6x. This will be cancelled here. What is the left here? Dt over t, and then integration here. This is the log t plus c1. This is the integration of the I1. So this log, and what value of the t here? What substitute the t value? This is the value of the t here. 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus c1. This is the value of the I1. This is the value of the I1 here. Similarly, you will find the I1 value you are finding here, this value. Similarly, you will find the I2, and then you are both value putting here in the equation first. Then, what value of the I2? Now, I2 here, integration of dx upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. And here only denominator part, no any numerator part here. This means you will make it the perfect square. You will convert in the perfect square form. So now converting 1 plus 2x plus, right here 3x square plus 2x plus 1. All numbers are, all terms are positive form, then you can write in this form. What is the coefficient of the x square? 3. First you take the 3 common. X square plus 2 upon 3 x plus 1 upon 3. Rule number first. Any numbers, any integers having the coefficient of x square, then you will take common. After that, you will check coefficient of the x. 3 x square plus 2 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3. Or what is the coefficient of the x? 2 by 3. Or half means 2. What is the square of this? This will cancel to 1 upon 9. Half of the coefficient of x, half of the square of coefficient of x. This is the 2 upon 3 is the coefficient of x. Then do the divide by 2 and then squaring. Then what is left in 1 by 9. So you will do 1 plus 9 here, 1 minus 9 here. What calculating here? 3 x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 9. This is the first portion. And what is left here? Plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 is second portion. X square 2 by 3x plus 1 by 9 in the first bracket, and 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 9 is the second. You calculate this, then result will become here. What result come here? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal 3 x plus 1 by 3 whole square and plus 3 3 is 9, taking LCM 3 3 is 9, 3 minus 1 2, so 2 by 9. You will convert here 3 x plus 1 by 3 you taking, and here you make root 2 upon 3 का whole square, root 2 upon 3 का whole square. So this is the perfect square upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the perfect square of this. Half of the square to cancel here 1 by 9. The 1 by 9 addition subtraction. The 3 terms making here perfect square of this. What is the left? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. Calculate here 1 by 3 minus taking LCM 9. The 3 3 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 9. Or what is the square root 2 by 9? Root 2 upon 3 whole square. So means this is the perfect square of this. This is the perfect square of this. You can write here. It means integration of dx upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to, outright here, dx upon x plus 1 upon 3 is whole square plus root 2 upon 3 is whole square. This in this form. You can write this in this form. But then what is the result of this? This is the form of the x square plus a square. X here you substitute this. So now you put here, substitute this, put x plus 1 upon 3 equal to t. What result come? Dx equal to dt. So now here you can change here dt over t square plus root 2 upon 3 is whole square. Then what result come here? This is the result of 1 upon a. 1 upon a. 1 upon a means root 2 upon 3. Tan inverse x upon a. X means t. What value of t upon a? Root 2 upon 3. Root 2 upon 3 and plus c2. This is your result. After that you will convert t in the original form, x plus 3, then you get the original answer. Yes, you note down it first. Then it is, yes students, then 1 by 3 here, 1 by 2 root 3 but tan inverse 2 by 3 plus c1. What is the left here? I2 here. The value of the I2 here 1 by 3, and then you will write here 3 upon root 2 tan inverse 3t upon root 2 plus c2. This 3 will cancel here, only left here 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3t. What value of the t here? Is the value of the t, x plus 1 by 3 upon root 2 plus c2. 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c2. So this is the value of the I2. This is the value of the I2 or this is the value of the I1. Then putting here in from equation first. From equation first, I equal 5 by 6 is I1. This is your log 1 plus x 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus c1 and then you are using here minus 11 upon 3 I2, the value of the I2 here, this is the value of the I2, this is the value of the I1 putting from here and I2 putting from here. 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c2. First of all, this is the value of the I1 equal to 5 by 6, I1 putting from here, already I am solved this part, I1 minus 11 by 3 I2, minus 11 by 3 and I2 I am solved from this value. Substitute this, then you get the answer here, 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 upon 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 and here this plus 5 by 6 c1 minus 11 upon 3 c2 and this is the constant part minus 5 upon 6 c1 and minus 11 upon 3 c2. So what is the left here? Just note down it. So what is the left here? What is the left here? This is the value of the I equal 5 by 6 log 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 upon 3 root 2 11 upon 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 and plus c. When you calculating this 5 on c1 minus 11 upon 3 c2, when you calculating this is the both are constant. When you calculating the both constant, then the result will become c. So this is your final answer. This is your final answer. So very simple things. First of all, you solve the I1 separate, I2 separate, then both will I1 and I2 putting here according this way from first. Then you calculating this a constant term is when you calculate, then you write only last c. This is the only means here, or every constant is called the c here. But this is your final answer. Just note down. And this is a very important question. This is a special type question of the according to property according function of the 8 property 8s. Yes, note down.